Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Izumi here. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today I am going to be unboxing a package from one of my favorite brands, and I'm also going to be styling my hair in the process. So stick around. So I already tore the package open to save unboxing time, and now we're just going to pull the box out of the packaging and dig in. Oh, looks like HerGivenHair did a bit of rebranding here because this box has a better quality material than the last box they sent me, and it's lighter in weight too. So I'm guessing that means cheaper shipping rate. Anyways, first thing that caught my eye was this animal print headband. Thankfully, it's just design. It's not actual animal skin, so rest assured that wildlife, big boys and girls are safe. We'll come back to this one, saving the best for the last. This looks like a satin or silk vintage scarf, but we'll see. And of course, the infamous wig instruction handbook. This one is the 2020 edition. Last one I got was the 2018 one. Well done, guys. Good to see that necessary updates are being made from time to time. Now there are two extra microfiber sleeves in here as well, and we'll get back to these when we're ready to style, okay? So now let's just move to the actual hair proper. And with me is the 20-inch machine weft headband wig in the color 1B. And this is the Kinky 4B 4C texture, which is actually the closest match to my natural hair texture. I'll leave every other detail in the video description. So I did a quick out of the box try on, and as expected, it looked so weird because this was before I co-washed it. I just wanted you guys to see why co-washing is a necessity. Off to co-wash now, and first thing I did was dunk the entire hair in water to rid it of any factory chemicals, and you can see how the water turned murky almost immediately. Next, I saturated the wig with the Cantu conditioning co-wash to gently cleanse and comb through the wig. You want to be really generous with your products when you co-wash, okay? Now, after distributing the product through the entire hair with my fingers and white tooth comb, I rinsed it out until the water ran clear, and I let the water drain from the wig for a few minutes before proceeding to style it. You can see how much better the texture looks after coming in contact with water. So I proceeded to set the wig in medium to large size 2-strand twists, and I used the Lotta Body Wrap Me foaming mousse as my styler. Now after styling, I let it air dry overnight. Next day, I just popped the wig on, took down the twist, and separated them into a fluffy bunch. Now, just like any other D1 twist out, it had more definition than volume. So I picked through with an Afro pick to give it some more volume. To conceal the band, I first went in with the animal print headband, and all I did was drop it down to my neck and pull it up to sit exactly where I wanted it to. And yeah, I liked the way this one looked. Really nice, really easy, and it's not uncomfortable in any way, and it's quite stretchy too. Next, I tried on the microfiber sleeve. This one doubles both as a headband and a hair sleeve. So basically, it allows you to pull your hair up, down, or to the sides depending on what look you're going for. For me, I just wanted to move my hair away from my back, and it did just that without any hassles. I also played around with the high puff pineapple thingy, and it came out nice as well. Finally, I pulled and twisted out some of the front twists I had underneath the wig and created like a bang. Then I tied the silk scarf in a bow. If you have really long hair, you can just use the scarf to pull back as much hair as you like before letting the bangs fall to your face. I also did a double bun, half up, half down look, but I didn't really like how it turned out, so I just, excluded it from the video. Until another time, bye.